Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and farm the EXPchain Testnet Airdrop. Now EXPchain Testnet is from Polyhedra, and Polyhedra haven't mentioned whether this is an incentivized testnet or it's not. But I personally feel that they might do a decent airdrop for the community because in the past Polyhedra airdrop was a disappointment and I think they will learn from their mistakes. Although none of this is a financial advice, please do your own research. Now, before we move on to EXPchain airdrop farming, if you want to buy coins and tokens and also deal in futures, you can sign up on Mexi Global using my referral link in the description, which will give you 8000 USDT as sign up bonus. And Mexi Global has the lowest buying and the selling fee. So currently there is no buying fee on Mexi Global and the selling fee or the taker fee is only 0.02%. So if you are dealing in futures, this is one of the best exchanges out there because of the low fees. Now, in order to farm the EXPchain Testnet Airdrop, you will need to have a MetaMask wallet. So simply go to Google and search for MetaMask and set it up on your Chrome browser. Now, I will leave all the links in the description so that it would be easy for you guys to navigate. Now, once you have MetaMask wallet set up, you will need to go to chainlist.org, and over here you will need to go ahead and search for EXPchain Testnet, and then go ahead and connect your MetaMask wallet and add the EXPchain testnet to your MetaMask wallet. Now if we go to my MetaMask wallet, as you can see I have already added this testnet chain to my MetaMask. Now once this chain is added to your MetaMask wallet, you will need to go to the Faucet, and over here you will need to go ahead and request for this testnet token on EXPchain, Sepolia and as well as BSC testnet. Now please note that currently there is a issue with regards to requesting this testnet token on Sepolia and BSC, and that's the reason why I haven't got these testnet tokens on both of these chains yet. But this EXPchain testnet is working perfectly fine, and I was able to get 0.01 T ZKJ token. So you will need to keep trying. Let us check if I am able to get this right now. Most probably it will give me an error, and it's not allowing me because I have requested 15 to 20 minutes back, and you can request this testnet token every hour. Now once you get these testnet tokens on Sepolia, EXPchain and BSC, simply head to the bridge, and over here you can go ahead and bridge few tokens from BSC as well as Sepolia testnet to EXP testnet. So as you can see, the balance on Sepolia testnet for this token is showing 0 and as well as BSC. Now I will try after 3 to 4 hours more, and hopefully by then I would be able to get these testnet tokens on BSC as well as Sepolia. Now once you successfully go ahead and bridge from Sepolia as well as BSC testnet to EXP testnet, I would recommend is doing this daily and do it only once. Don't spam it too much, else your wallet might be marked as Sibyl and you won't be eligible for any of the airdrops. And now we will go ahead and deploy a contract on EXPchain. So if we go to remix.ethereum.org, now what I will do is I will go ahead and copy this contract and put it on my GitHub. Now you can use the link in the description for GitHub as well and access this contract, and simply go ahead and copy this contract. Now once you have copied this contract, simply head over here, create a workspace, click on create new file, and as you can see I have already created this file mytoken.sol, and go ahead and paste the contract. And then head to Solidity compiler, compile mytoken.sol. Now we will need to go to deploy and run transaction. Now over here I am facing a issue with regards to deploying a contract on the EXPchain. So as you can see, whenever I go ahead and select injected provider MetaMask, the account is not popping up. And even if I put like a million over here, it's not giving me the option to deploy. Now I'm not sure whether this is a temporary problem or a permanent problem. Hopefully they get it resolved. But there is another alternative way as to how we can go ahead and deploy a contract on the EXPchain. So in order to deploy a contract on EXPchain, we'll use third web. So simply head to third web, and over here you will go ahead and deploy a token contract on EXPchain testnet. So simply go ahead and click on deploy. Now you can put any name. For example, let's put crypto insight and symbol CIT and description crypto insight YouTube channel. You can put in any name, any symbol and any description is perfectly fine. Now this is my recipient address because I have gone ahead and connected my MetaMask wallet to thirdweb.com. Now go a bit down, and over here in the chain you will need to go ahead and select EXPchain testnet. Now please note that if you are using third web for the first time, this chain won't be reflecting on the third web. So what you will need to do is you will need to go ahead and click on this and click on add custom network. Now head to docs.polyhedra.network and over here you will find all the details for the EXPchain testnet. So the network name is EXPchain Testnet. Simply go ahead and paste it over here. And as you can see, it's giving me an error. The network already exists because I have already added this network. But if you are doing it first time, you won't be getting this error. Then once again, go over here, copy the chain ID and go ahead and copy the symbol. You can put in any symbol, but I would recommend is putting this symbol. And in the type, you will need to go ahead and select testnet. And in the RPC URL, you can select any of this URL. So the first URL also works perfectly fine. And once you go ahead and put all these details, simply go ahead and click on add network. So as you can see, I've already added this network. Now let's go ahead and deploy this token on the EXP chain. Now we will need to wait for some time for your MetaMask to pop up and confirm the transaction. So as you can see, now the MetaMask has popped up. I will go ahead and confirm this transaction. Now we will need to confirm one more transaction, and as you can see, my MetaMask has already popped up and it's asking me for the signature request. So I will go ahead and click on confirm. It might take around 20 to 30 seconds for this process to be completed. Now as you can see, we have already deployed a contract on EXPchain Testnet. So we'll go ahead and view the contract. And this is the token Crypto Insight. And now we can go ahead and mint some Crypto Insight tokens. So simply head to token tab over here and click on it and click on mint. Now let's say I will keep the supply for 1 million and then go ahead and click on mint tokens. And I will go ahead and confirm the transaction on my MetaMask wallet. And as you can see, we have now gone ahead and minted 1 million CIT token on EXP chain. Now you can also go ahead and burn this supply. So I will go ahead and burn 1 CIT. So what will happen is like this will increase your transaction on the EXPchain testnet. And as informed earlier, do it once or twice a day. Don't spam it too much. So we are going ahead and burning 1 CIT token right now. And we'll wait for the transaction to be completed. And as you can see, now the transaction is completed and the token supply is burned by 1. You can also airdrop this token to other wallets or maybe transfer it to other wallet. So these are some of the steps as to how you can go ahead and farm the EXPchain Testnet Airdrop from Polyhedra. And this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.